Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to walk through the Windows Backup and Restore process step by step. Windows Backup and Restore is a built-in utility in Microsoft Windows that helps users protect their data by creating copies of important files, system settings, and even the entire operating system. This process allows users to recover data in case of accidental deletion, system crashes, hardware failure, or malware attacks. With features like file history, system image backup, and restore points, Windows offers flexible options for both personal and professional use. Users can schedule regular backups, choose specific files or drives to back up, and restore data easily when needed, ensuring minimal downtime and data loss.
Let's start. First, click on Settings. Go to Accounts option. Then, click on Windows Backup. Default storage for backup, OneDrive or cloud storage will be shown, but only 5 GB of free OneDrive space is available. It is not possible to back up Windows 10 or 11 with this short space. The next alternative option is flash drive or SSD. Go to Search option and open Control Panel. Click on View by category. Click on System and Security. Then click on File History. Copy Files to will show the flash drive or SSD that you have connected to your laptop or PC. Then click on System Image Backup option at the bottom. Then click on Create System Image. On a hard disk option, the flash drive or SSD that you have connected to your laptop or PC will be shown. Then click on Next. Here, C drive is selected by default. If not, select it. Click on Start Backup. How long it will take to back up will depend on the configuration of your laptop or PC. Now I will show you how to restore the backup files. Open Recovery from Search option. If you are having problems with your PC, click on Restart Now in Advanced Startup option. Click on Troubleshoot option. Again, click on Advanced Options. Then, click on System Image Recovery. Then, with Use the latest available system image selected, click on Next. When recovery is complete, click on Restart Now.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying my videos and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Your support means a lot and helps me keep creating great content for you.